What is the size of the wire?
It's 2.5 mm.
Between neutral and earth, it's a 1. So that means infinity, no short circuit. Awesome.
Yeah.
So that is suitable for socket wiring, isn't it?
Yes.
Nice. There are 3 key features of a wire. Number 1 is usually the material that is making it, which is copper. And also number 2, we have
insulation.
the insulation, which is important.
Yeah.
And at number 3, we have the size of the wire, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very important. Top bosses, it is an honor to always have a new top boss joining us. We have been introducing passionate top bosses, and today it is not different. Top bosses in 3, 2, 1, drum rolls, drum rolls. We have a new top boss joining us. Top boss, karibu sana Top
Hi.
Heights.
Thank
How
you
are
so
you?
much. I'm good.
Just come closer so that we can hear more from you.
Okay.
Please tell us, what is your name?
Okay, my name is Maureen. At the moment, I'm pursuing solar and electrical installation course.
Yes.
I have a background interest
Yeah.
and experience in the construction industry,
Yeah.
which I've intertwined with project management.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm happy to be here. You'll see more of me
Yes.
from now going on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, many ladies shy away from, construction related courses such as electrical, solar, even project management. Why are you interested in electrical as well as solar?
Because it's quite interesting. It's hands-on work.
Yeah.
And the most satisfying thing is because you get the job satisfaction.
Yes.
And apart from that, you get to interact with people in different fields in the construction industry.
Yeah.
You also get to travel. I love traveling a lot.
Nice.
You get to travel, you go to different sites and all that and all that. So that to me makes it very interesting, and it's something that I would encourage anyone else to venture into.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Incredible. Now, going through your page, you are very aggressive when it comes to content. And I always talk to top bosses and I advise you to always create content, regardless of what you are doing. What is your perspective towards creating content? And are you going to shift to creating more of electrical because this is your line of, passion at the moment?
Yes, I know I'm going to shift to produce more content in matters electricity and solar installations, most especially to create awareness, to create the urge to venture into this industry, and also to encourage other women like me to venture into it because it's satisfying. And also,
so many people have a challenge when it comes to hands-on work. Electrical installations is involving a lot of hands-on work, even solar. Are we going to see situations where you will put this solar panel on your back and then, go with it in the roof? Is it something that we are going to see you love hands-on work?
of course, I mean, when you get into something, you put your whole heart into it.
Yes.
You put the efforts. If it needs to be done like that, you need to do it like that. There's no shortcut to it. So once you venture into something, you have to know the nitty-gritties around it. And if that is how it's supposed to be done, you go with it like that. Yeah.
Awesome. Nice. When it comes to the construction sites, indeed, we face a lot of challenges. Now, the many people that I've come across with think that ladies cannot be hands-on. They cannot perform heavy tasks. What is your attitude towards hands-on work, especially at the construction site? And for people who probably look down upon ladies on given tasks, what would you want to tell them that you are capable of doing? And even the ladies, are they capable of really doing this hands-on work, the construction site? Have you seen them doing it? And are you able to change people's perspectives when it comes to a lady working on hands-on work, especially at the construction area?
Yeah. So for me, I would say first you need to believe in yourself.
Yeah.
And when you get into the construction site, there's no difference between a woman and a man. Fundi ni fundi. So when you meet us there in the construction site, don't say, oh, she's a woman, she won't be able to do this and that. That is perspective. That is a myth, and people should change. Whatever a man can do, a woman can do it better. Yeah.
Incredible.
Yeah.
Incredible. So in the construction site, and to be specific in solar and electrical, what are you so passionate about? Does it come naturally when you are talking with customers, when you're designing projects for them, or is it the practical work?
Okay. For me, I'd say it's the practical work.
Yeah.
Designing for the customers, because I have a background in project management, so I know how to plan, all the steps of project management, and also the money.
Yeah, money.
Yeah,
Yes.
the money, because I mean, you can't do work and not get rewarded for it.
Yeah.
So talking with the customers, you get to understand their needs and also how to give a solution to their problems. So, yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. A great resource, of course.
Yes.
People looking forward to hiring people, especially the ladies, should not feel any fear when it comes to hiring ladies. Maureen is today at Top Heights Electricals and Electricians. And if you are looking forward to getting someone who is passionate when it comes to solar installations, when it comes to electrical, or even project management at the construction site, the right person is right here. And if you want to work with people who have passion, the best thing is to look for those people who already have that passion. So today, I am very excited that you're going to put your passion into practice. Electrical installation. So we will begin with wiring a socket, and we can have two sockets. So you will wire them. This is a very important aspect when it comes to wiring, especially at our customers. Are you looking forward to it?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Nice.
Yeah.
So let's put your passion into practice by you wiring this twin socket as well as a single socket, connect it to the double pole, feed it, and then we'll test it and see how it works. And if you'll have any challenges along the way, we'll address those and what you'll have learned. And also, this will serve as an encouragement to the ladies.
Yes.
Finally, our top boss, Maureen, what are your parting short words, or what are your words to the ladies as well as the electricians who are joining the trade or who are already in the trade?
My parting shot is, if you are at home, you don't have anything to do, get out of your comfort zone. Ingia kwa construction. Doesn't have to be electricity. This is one of the trades. There are so many others that you can do. Get into construction. At least utakosa ka500 kako and you go home happy. So karibuni.
Nice, nice. So top bosses, for now I will not say anything, but let us get into the practical work. Hi Maureen.
Hi.
So I can see you are wiring the sockets.
Yes.
Earthing, live, and neutral.
Yeah.
Between neutral and earth?
Yeah, neutral and earth.
Nothing. It's a 1. So that means infinity, no short circuit. Between neutral, between earth and a line, it's an open, meaning an infinity, so no continuity. So you are done connecting and wiring, so it is time to test whether it's working, right?
Yep.
What type of reading are you taking?
I'm measuring the continuity
Awesome.
of the earth cable.
Awesome.
Yep.
So it has to be continuing from the earth wire to the sockets.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
Okay. So you take your prop.
Yes.
You put it inside the earth connection like that. Then you take this other prop and you
connect there.
Yeah.
Now, because on that point it is loose, adjust it once this one is connected.
Okay.
We are doing that when the circuit is off. So that one is connecting.
Yeah.
So to the twin, it is not. So we have
to the
to
twin, it's not.
identify where the issue could be.
Yeah.
Now we go to the neutral,
Mm-hmm.
or the live.
Okay.
Top boss, we have come to the end of our today's episode where we were wiring practically the radio circuit for socket wiring. Very important in construction site, very important in home electrical installations. It was such a great pleasure to have our top boss, the one and only Maureen, joining us, who executed this work. Top boss Maureen,
Mm-hmm.
how has the experience been? Because you love the hands-on work, how has it generally been?
The experience has been awesome.
Nice.
I learned through making some mistakes here and there,
Nice.
and I'm happy I was able to rectify.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I'm looking forward to more and more projects.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Incredible. I love your attitude towards making mistakes.
Yes.
We learn through
Making
mistakes.
yeah.
Nice. And it is only through mistakes that you'll be able to improve
Yeah.
and become better.
Yes.
No one was born a perfect electrician. We only practice through hands-on work as well as making mistakes and correcting them.
Yeah.
Are you looking forward to doing more of this, especially when it comes to solar?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking forward and
Yeah.
I'm so motivated.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so motivated about all this.
Nice.
And of course,
Yeah.
without forgetting to mention that I have the best teacher.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. I take all the flowers when I'm alive.
Yeah.
Feels great.
Yeah.
Nice. So in our coming videos, we will be learning more,
Yep.
especially on troubleshooting. These are points of weaknesses for so many electricians. And we are going to carry out troubleshooting.
Yeah.
Solar installations from scratch. And people are going to learn a lot, especially through the work that we'll be doing. Before I forget, I would like you to kindly request and also send an encouraging message to ladies out there who are looking forward to grow in this industry. Kindly.
Okay.
Yes.
For me, it's to say that you have the power.
Yes.
And you have to love what you want to do. If you want to venture into this, it has to come from your heart. You have to be motivated. And of course, be ready to learn.
Okay.
Be ready to make mistakes.
Yeah.
Don't feel bad about it.
Yeah.
Accept feedback.
Yeah.
And embrace whatever you're doing.
Awesome.
Yep.
I love the passion. I love the attitude. We grow through that.
Yep.
When we fail, we definitely grow and become better. But let me tell you something. You know what? You haven't failed.
Yeah.
To me, it is a 10 over 10.
Thank you.
Because I know when we will get to the real construction sites, you will execute work like a pro.
Yep.
We'll even make the pro men jealous of you.
Yeah.
Awesome. So top bosses, that has been our time. We have had an incredible time with Maureen wiring the entire circuit. If you want to look for other videos that we have done, Top Boss, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any episode. Also for the upcoming videos that we'll be tackling together with our Top Boss Maureen, don't miss any of the exciting episodes that are coming up. My name is John Gatehi, together with my Top Boss
Maureen Nyakyambo Mokeri.
Thank you. We have had an incredible time. Top Boss, this is Top Heights Electricals and Electricians. Goodbye for now.
Bye.
See you.